anyone that you see that is successful, it began after they got qualified.
Um, but my problem is pricing. I got your book. It should be here in another day. I think it is. But my problem is pricing. Um, a company reached out to me yesterday. They have 35 trucking employees, CDL employees, and they want me to be the whole consortium. So I just, my thing is pricing. I don't want to, I did my research for the area. I did it for, I'm in Alabama, so I did Alabama, Georgia, and Mississippi, because it's, the surrounding states. And tried to get an average, so I wouldn't be too high or too low. But I don't know, I guess because I'm just, these are my first ones and I'm just nervous. I don't want to underbid myself. And yeah,
Okay, so you already have some great things. The great thing is the amount of employees. The second thing you want to know is the amount of consistency. Like what is their time? Are they doing it once a quarter? Is it for all 32 every quarter?
It's all 35 employees. They're all CDL. The guy that got in hold of me, he just took over the position. So he came from insurance. So he's all new to DOT.
Okay.
And, but he wants me to do everything.
Per quarter though? Like are you doing 35 per quarter or are you doing randoms or reasonable suspicion?
I'm
Post
doing,
accident? Did you ask him that?
he wants me to do all of it. He wants me to do pre-employment. He wants me to do the post-accident. He wants me to do random. He wants me to do everything.
Okay, so what I would do is I would definitely set him up a fee schedule, right? Because one thing we have to understand, not that we don't want to underbid ourselves, but that no matter where they go, they're going to pay around the same price for the
Right.
same thing. So you are pricing not only for the drug test, but if you're going to be the TPA that holds the randoms and sends it back and sends it in to him when it's time to take them so that you have like a pivot table, then that's going to be another price I will add on to it. So if my test is going to be in this instance, that's why I wanted to know if they were going to do it every quarter. So in this instance, if they're doing it every quarter, then I'm going to give them a small deduction on the amount. So it's going to be around $55. If you're going to charge 65, I would do 55 each time you come, each donor. I will
Okay.
also have a set mobile fee every time you come. No matter when you come out, they can call you for randoms, they can call you from post accidents, they could call you for whatever, but every time you come out, you're charging $100 or, like what feels feasible for you based off of the distance.
Okay.
So we want to have that in there. And then we want to have the portion of you reporting them. So if you're going to be the one who reports them to the clearinghouse, because if they have drivers and they're part of FMCSA. So if you're going to report them to the clearinghouse, that's another fee that you're going to charge. So I would get, if I would go back to you and I'm talking to him, number one, I'm going to put this on my fee schedule. I'm gonna write this on my. It's not part of our agreement just yet, but we wanted him to see it in advance. So I'm gonna tell him per collection it is $55. Our mobile fee would be $100 each time we come out. So even if you go out and you did 10 collections that day, it was still just $100, right? So then I'm gonna also have my reporting fee. So that can be $50 an hour. Reporting can take, an hour, 2 hours out of your day, 3 hours out of your day. So you can do it per hour or you can just do a lump sum fee for reporting.
Okay. And I did get a hold of the person that you told me when we talked. I got my paperwork done with him, and I don't want to say the wrong words.
Please don't.
So yeah, I've got that set up. So as soon as I'm ready, I'll pay the fee and I'll get started.
Okay. All right. Listen, you and I have talked before. That's how I remember Sarah Michelle. Sarah Michelle, like you are really doing it. I need you to get more confidence in your voice because you're doing way more faster than other people. You know what I mean? And I already know you bringing on your family. So just have that confidence in your voice. Sarah Michelle, you're doing amazing. 2026 is your year.
I'm claiming it.
It is. It already started. This is January 14th. You know what I'm saying? So go, Sarah Michelle. Anything you need, I'm here for you though.
I have a fee schedule. If can I send it to you that you can look at it and see
Yeah,
what you
send it to
think?
my email.
Okay,
I think we've emailed. And then can you just, pin me that, or you can send it to me in Patreon. I don't know if
okay.
you can send it in there, but if you can't, then send it directly to my email.
And I have a question about Patreon, but I'll text you or email you about it.
Okay. And
Okay.
Patreon, we're moving to school, I think. I don't think you all came to the meetings, but I think we're going to move to school. I don't know. But okay, we'll talk. So just send me a message.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Way to go.